How do you make a film that teaches people about science? I think it's an important question, and I think it's a timely question, given that, well, video is exploding everywhere on the internet, and there are new initiatives popping up like TED Ed. Now this question, how do you make a film that effectively teaches someone something about science, that was the topic of my PhD. So I'd like to tell you what I found out. I went to the University of Sydney and I took all the first-year physics students and I tried to teach them about the basic laws of motion, Newton's first and second laws. So I sent them away to their homes and I asked them to go online and sit a 26-question multiple-choice test. Here's a sample question, just so you get a feel for what I was asking them. Imagine a basketball player shooting from the free throw line. After he releases the ball, the forces on the ball are A, upwards and constant, B, upwards and decreasing, C, downwards and constant, D, downwards and decreasing, or E, tangent to the path of the ball. I want you to take a minute and think about what you would answer, and think about what you think other people might answer, okay? So then we would get the students to rate their confidence in their answers. How confident are you that this is correct? I should mention that that is not the exact Likert scale that I gave them, but it's, get the idea across. Okay. And then I would randomly assign these students to watch one of several videos about Newton's first and second laws. They lasted about 8 to 10 minutes. So in a standard exposition video, I would say something like this to them. Well, we would state Newton's laws, and then we would apply it to a real-world example, like a juggler. I can't juggle, so I've got one ball. Anyway, so we would say something like, while the ball is in the air, there's only one force acting on it throughout its flight. That's the force of gravity. It's constant, and it's downwards. We'd actually animate a little arrow on the ball as it goes up and down in slow motion. Okay, so obviously the answer was C, whereas most people usually pick